Assalamu alaikum, good morning, welcome back to my channel once again. If you are new on my channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click the like button. Let's get started. This is gold daily chart. Yesterday gold tested around 1941. After that gold came back to test 1928 and now currently gold is trading 1934. Yesterday Federal Reserve Chairman had a press conference where he said, "We will take the necessary steps to ensure a return to price stability. In particular, if we conclude that it is appropriate to move more aggressively by raising the federal funds rate by more than 25 basis points at a meeting or meetings, we will do so." It means that Fed is ready to lift off the interest rate more than 25 bps. In fact, Fed seems to be fighting the inflation with their interest rate arsenal only. In order to do so, they have to match the inflation and interest rate, and current PCE index, which usually they measure, is around 6.1%. And we all know it is impossible to lift off the interest rate hike interest rates from almost 0% to 6%. So Fed have to find other ways to decrease the inflation numbers. In fact, March crude oil prices have not factored in inflation yet. They will be factoring in April numbers when we receive inflation number in April. So Federal Reserve will have to do much more than raising the interest rate hike in order to curb the inflation. Now coming back to the chart, gold finally entered in positive zone yesterday itself. So let me give you the resistance and support for today's trading session. And if you are new on my channel, make sure you subscribe and click bell icon in order to receive all my future videos. And follow me on Twitter and Telegram as well for latest major data and event update. 1923 will act as support now. This is a very good support in gold price. If gold break and sustain below this support, then expect 1910 and 1900. Resistance at 1952. Above this resistance, expect 1960 and 1970. Currently, gold prices are trading in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to silver. This is silver. Yesterday or just before 1 hour ago, silver tested a new high of 25.37. Currently settling around 25.28. Even silver have entered in positive zone. So let's have resistance and support for now. 24.98. That will act as support in silver price. If silver break and sustain below this support, then expect 24.70 and 24.50. Resistance, as you can see, 25.65. Above this resistance, expect $26 and 26.50. Currently, gold and silver both are trading in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Do not trade against the trend. Let's move on to crude oil. This is crude oil. Finally, crude oil have reversed the course. And if you have watched my yesterday's video, I have told you it is in positive zone. It was trading around 107, 108 when we made the video yesterday. Now it is almost trading at 113. It is in positive zone, no doubt, but let's have important resistance and support for today's trading session. 109.80. That will act as support in oil price now. If crude oil break and sustain below this support, then expect 107 and 104. Resistance at 115.30. Above this resistance, expect 120 and 122 once again. Currently, crude oil is in extremely bullish channel, so please trade accordingly. Do not go against the trend. If you want to sell, then you have to wait till market breaks the support and sustain below that support for at least 30 minutes. Let's move on to euro. This is euro. Since yesterday it is in weak zone, so even now it is in weak zone. Let's have a look at important levels for now. 1030, that will act as resistance now. If euro break and sustain above this resistance, then only euro will enter in positive zone. Above this resistance, expect 1080 and 1120. Support at 945. Below this support, expect 920 and 900 in euro. Currently euro is in weak zone, so please trade accordingly. Let's move on to British pound. This is British pound. If you remember my yesterday's video, the resistance was 32.25. It made high around 32.10 and then crashed back to test around 31.33. Almost trading near the lowest point of the day. So let's have a look at resistance and support in British pound. 31.10. That will act as support in British pound now. If pound break and sustain below the support, then expect 30.70 and 30.40. Resistance at 31.90. If British pound managed to break and sustain above this resistance, then it would enter in positive zone. It could test up to 32.20 and 32.50. Currently, British pound is in a pretty flat zone, so trade accordingly. Only below support and resistance will decide the clear trend in British pound. Let's move on to cryptos. The support was 44.50 and yesterday it made low around 40763. Resistance was 41500. After that, it is testing nearly $1,500. So now Bitcoin, the levels have changed. The resistance have become the support now. Resistance at $44,200. The trend is positive, same as yesterday. So the trend haven't changed, but the level have changed. Let's move on to Ethereum now. This is Ethereum and these are the yesterday's levels. Ethereum levels have changed. Now resistance will act as support. Resistance now 3120. Trend is positive, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to Indian markets, MCX. This is Mcx Gold, currently trading 51,878 rupees. Mcx Gold support at 51,700 rupees. Resistance at 52,200 rupees. I will refresh these MCX level in community post by 5 p.m. when USD INR close. You can check 5 p.m. levels in community post. For paid signal service, my WhatsApp number is flashing on your screen. You can WhatsApp me if you want to avail paid buy sell signal. Let's move on to silver. Silver is trading 68,833. Silver support at 68,200. Resistance at 69,700 rupees. I will also give copper, zinc and nickel levels in community post. Just click the join button and select 599. Also join me for live stream on my streaming channel. All links are in description. And if you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to press the like button. That was the video, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click the like button for this video. For my paid signal service, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Number is given in description. Leave your feedback in comment section. I read all your comments. Now I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.